To fix zoom camera not working, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix zoom camera not working. Now if you want to fix zoom camera not working, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that your camera is not responding well and it is not working well. The next thing which you need to do is that you just need to open settings on a device, and from here you just need to search for the app called Zoom. So simply search the app Zoom, and from here you just need to go on the permission section of the Zoom and see if you have enabled the permission for camera or not. So if you have not allowed the permission for camera, then that may also be the reason that your camera is not working properly. So you just need to click on the option of allow only while using the app or ask every time, and by doing this you'll be able to give the permission to the camera, and the camera may respond or work while using the Zoom. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device and see if there is any fault in the camera or not. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the zoom camera not working on your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.